Hello and welcome back. Are you looking for a high-performance PC built with premium ASUS hardware? Well, meet the Prime 5080 V2, a fully configured system that's part of the Memory Express powered by ASUS lineup. At its core is the Ryzen 7 9800X3D and an ASUS Prime 5080. This system is spec'd for high-end gaming, streaming, and creative performance. It also features a 360mm liquid cooler, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a fast 2TB NVMe SSD, a 1000W gold power supply, and the ASUS X870 Max Gaming Wi-Fi 7 motherboard, all built inside the ASUS A31 Plus case for a clean aesthetic. But instead of just talking about the specs, let's get straight into it and build this machine. Prime 5080 V2 is a premium powered by ASUS Prebuilt system for Memory Express, engineered for gamers and enthusiasts who want top-tier performance right out of the box. If you're interested in the Prime 5080 V2, it's available now at Memory Express locations and online at memoryexpress.com. You didn't think we'd let this video end without a giveaway, did you? Today we're giving away an ASUS X870 Max Gaming Wi-Fi 7 motherboard. Entry conditions are, you must reside within Canada or the United States, be subscribed, and comment what type of content you would like to see or continue seeing from our channel. Winner will be randomly selected from the comments in 30 days. Good luck, and like always, thanks for watching.